So today we are going to find the Ketu in the 10th house. So friends, what is Ketu in the 10th house in Dashamsha? There is lot of turbulence in the career of this native. These people are maybe they are good for working in the government type of career. However, they can create lot of enemies in the government sectors also because of the Ketu in the 10th house, in the Dashamsha as well as in any of the ascendants in the career house. So how well the Ketu will do if your Ketu is placed in the 10th house. So Ketu in the 10th house, these people will be always speaking their truth, which mostly the other people or the front person in the professional field will not be liking, and always having a lot of enemies in his career. So in the Ketu in the 10th house, people should be very careful when they parent with the matters, in the working matters, everything. Maybe your boss may not be very acceptable for these things. So because the Ketu in the 10th house, people will be always telling the truth, and they will be speak the truth in the work environment, and mostly they will be true to their work. So this in the modern world, in the business world, these kind of things are not accepted by the people. So Ketu in the 10th house, people will be rejected again and again by the business people or in the working environment. So they have very ups and downs in the career. The career will not be one place, it will be changing. Though the Ketu people will be having lot of craftsmanship also, they will be mastering so many other things also, because the Rahu will be in the axis 180 degree in the 4th house. So it will be aspecting the 10th house career wise. So Rahu always wants the fame and name in the career, the money, the luxury things, everything. But Ketu here will do good if there is other benefic planets are looking for the 10th house. So the native of this holder should be beware in the mind of the when they are going in forefront with their truth or about the job or anything. So this can help them a lot and save a lot of trouble for them. Ketu in the 10th house, if these people don't want this so many troubles in their career, mostly they should opt for that type of their own business, or they are their own boss, and so that they can handle the environment of their working environment by themselves, instead of they are working for another boss or another company where they will be most oftenly fired, or they may not be liked, or the switches of the changes in the jobs will be most likely frequently in many a times. So to avoid that, if you are going into your own personal business or own personal research center or scientific things or something like this, so you will save a lot of troubles or problems. So your career or career field, which is very important, one of the very important in the human life, can be saved if the Ketu is in the 10th house. Ketu in the 10th house, these people also, since they are very true to their work, these people will blend very good in the government services also. However, the higher officials or the upper officials, again they have problems with the higher officials, because he is so true to his work and nature. So the higher official in the government people or something, they may not like their way of working style or something. Though they may appreciate him, ultimately they will end up with so many enemies in those places also. Since the Ketu is aspecting the 2nd house, he has to be he or she should be careful about his spending nature also. Otherwise he would end up in a lot of loans or the debts, and he'll be running or hiding himself from so many bank people who will be chasing him to pay back the loan or credit card loans or something like that. So whenever these Ketu people in the 10th house taking the loans, educational loans or anything, they should make it clear that they can get gain out of their taking the loan. They should not just simply enter into the debts or the bank loans, because once they take the debts, it is very difficult for them to pay back, because of there are so many ups and downs in their career. So these kind of people, Ketu in the 10th house, should take very careful in their financial matters, and also economy wise. Ketu in 10th house is not always bad, friends, because if the Saturn is well placed in the Lagna or in the Dechan charts, it can give the good opportunity results also. Also Rahu is aspecting from its 4th house to the 10th aspects, even that will give a boost for him. And plus if Venus aspects is there, even that will prove to be a good for the native. So Ketu is not always considered as bad, but ups and downs in the jobs will be seen, but even then lot of opportunity will be arising for the people who is having Ketu in the 10th house, because Rahu is aspecting. Plus if there is benefit aspects like Jupiter, say, or it's in the Pisces or Sagittarius, then Ketu will very give good opportunity for him to work in the spiritual world also, like astrology, like Vedic astrology, or spiritual or occult study, or research, science and research studies, or mines or minerals or something, archaeology. This kind of a job will suit very well to them, for the Ketu people also. Which is Ketu is an isolation, so the work related where you can do alone, single research center, there they can occupy very well. The Ketu job will occupy very well, and there is no other disturbance. Like if you are going to the normal job, you have to report to your managers or seniors or something like that. But if you are going for a research center, you will be doing your own, you are the own boss. So there this Ketu will not disturb you more, and it is very happy to work in that way, in an isolation place or a spiritual world, something like this. And also friends, if you see, if the Ketu is placed in the very well, or in a very, very good dignity, or very well aspected by other planets, these people will have, maybe they may lose jobs frequently, but they will also get the jobs frequently, and opportunity will be always arising for them in one way or the other, and always they will be working in a very good environment, or a very self-contained environment, or luxury environment, or they may get a companies now and then, frequently a very, very upper company. Like if one XY company is a B grade company, next time they will get a grade company, this way. So opportunity also arises when Ketu is in the 10th house. This we should remember, because lot of astrologers only say negative, but the positive side is very much. Even though in this century or in this Kali Yuga time, we need to be quick, like we want to change this very quickly. We can't stay on the age old type of employment or things like that. And presently, even in the case of internet world, all these things, people has to have keep into adjust to the quick changes. So then the Ketu in the 10th house is very useful for those people. They can change very quickly because they have that kind of a nature within them. So Ketu in the 10th house, if you see in a positive way, this will help the nature in a very good place. And also if you know the astrology, there will not be any problems to change the jobs, because he know exactly his astrology is like this, and he is ready to accept more challenging jobs and more environmental jobs or something like this. So Ketu in 10th house you can take in a very positive way also. Don't take it in a negative way. It is a positive way, because also the Rahu will be aspecting the 10th house always. So his eyes will be always in the 10th house, who wants name, fame, money, luxury, everything. So always the Ketu people will have, if it is dignified more, you will get more employment opportunity, you will get more luxurious kind of working place, or you can get more of business may be tricky, but you may be earning more in a commission ways or in a concept selling or something like that. Ketu will be very good, because they can do some magic and sell the things, anything given to them, and get the money for them. So this is very good in the modern days. Also, if the Ketu Mahadasha is running, the person may have little bad times. Otherwise, if Mahadasha is, if his planets, other planets Mahadasha are going on, and it is well placed, or it is aspecting in a good way, this Ketu in 10th house will not harm you in any way, except a small few here and there job changes or something like that. This you have to understand very clearly for the Ketu in the 10th house. If the Mahadasha is running for the Ketu, or Antardasha is running, a slight confusions in the job or headless type of activity he may be doing in his job, which can harm him. So this the native with the Ketu 10th house has to take care. If Jupiter is aspecting, or if it is Ketu is placed in the 10th house, in the house of Sagittarius, or in the house of Pisces, then it will help good for the Ketu. He can be a master in the spiritual world, or he can progress in the field of dharmic, or even if it's not only apply for Hindu, if any religion, if he is a Muslim, he can be a mullah, or in the mosque, or if he is a Christian, he can be a father in the church, and he can progress in that field. So astrology doesn't apply just for Hindus or something like that, or Indians. It is worldwide. That energy exists, and this is a magical energy which you can see. If you know exactly, you will understand the beauty of the astrology. So the Ketu in the 10th house can make him a Dharam Guru, in his, whether he's a Hindu, Muslim or a Christian, he can become well progressed in the Dharam Guru, and especially if it is placed in the Jupiter house or Pisces or Sagittarius, or Jupiter is aspecting this 10th house, definitely he can progress in that, no doubt about it. Though some places, sometimes some allegations may come here and there, but that is all, in any field it is there, we have to accept it without allegations. Or it's nothing like a smooth sailing boat, always ups and downs will be there, but this is basic energy of Ketu in the 10th house. If you see, if you go for any interview or anything, mostly the managers will ask how good you are in stress taking activities or in the company. So we want to hire the people who are stress taking ability people. Especially the Ketu in the 10th house people are given with the energy to handle these kind of stresses, work environment stresses. So even for the recruitment agency or something, if the 10th, if they know the placement of the people Ketu in the 10th house, they will be good asset for the company. If the manager knows how good it is really a benefit for any company to hire people who is having Ketu in his 10th house. Ketu in the 10th house, because they will be speaking the truth, they will be transparent in their work, they will not make any mistake, they will try to get the best out of the work, and they plan, they organize, and they work very hard. These are all the energies who are having the 10th house Ketu. So any of the management would like to recruit these people. So in other ways also, the opportunities are more for the people who are having Ketu in the 10th house, because they will be immediately absorbed or hired by any companies. Interviews, they will never fail, because anyway they will pass the interviews. So maybe because of some jealous people, because of some crew people, they may lose the job in some companies, but again they will go to the job because the Ketu will be always there, not because of themselves, or maybe the energy is there, but these people will irritate. But so if your boss is Ketu also in the 10th house, then the combination is very good. He need not leave the job, he will get promotions, he will get updations, because the energies will match with his boss, of who is also a Ketu in the 10th house. So this can help him a lot to come up in his career also. So believe me, the Ketu in the 10th house will give you lot of opportunity. Also you will be able to take the stress on the job or the work, or tensions of the job, or any critical work type of nature also, like research, science, anything, you will come out successfully, because Rahu will be always aspecting your 10th house and he will support you. And also Ketu, also even if it is headless, it will be do the best when it is aspected by the Jupiter or some benefic planet, or it is in a very dignified quality in a particular native's horoscope. So please accept this plus point and make a note in your notes. Also friends, remember, when Mahadasha or Antardasha of any planet is going through, or say we are talking about Ketu here, if Ketu, Mahadasha or Antardasha, then the analysis or the prediction is more accurate than otherwise. Simply because mostly what is countable is your transit or Mahadasha plus the Lagna. So then you are dividing the charts into so many other charts to find out the accuracy of the predictions. So if the Mahadasha also is running along with the Antardasha of the Ketu, or then the predictions or it is same placement is placed in the D1 chart or the D10 chart also, same place is the 10th house, the Ketu is there, then the prediction is more accurate than otherwise. If your Mahadasha is running, Ketu Mahadasha is running, and if you are doing some kind of a job where it is involved legally or something, then better don't do true to be yourself. Of course you will be true and very pure to your heart. All the Ketu people in the 10th house will be always generous, kind and forgiving nature, so they won't go for legal. They will quit, exactly, they will not go for the fight against their enemies legally or something, because they will be intelligent to understand that this will not help them. So if the malefic effects are there, they may go, but this you have to one has to analyze what's a person's horoscope, then you will understand the exact. But normally these people will quit exactly as they come to know, because they have a peculiar type of sense to understand if they go for the fight, whether they will win these litigations or not. So because ninth house aspect also is aspecting, Ketu will be aspecting the sixth house, which is litigations and these things like this, enmity or something like that. But even if that is there, then if the Mahadasha is running, these people should not go against the enemy. The better they quit, or the better they forgive, or better they sacrifice for their own sake, for their own goodness. This can help them a lot, and in many ways. So the planet Saturn also you have to see in the D1 chart as well as in the D10 chart. So the placement of the Saturn, if it is dignified, if it is exalted, then definitely this type of people who is having Ketu in the 10th house will get a definitely good opportunity, and they will get all the good life in their lifetime. Yes. Since Ketu in the 10th house, people are very generous and true to themselves, and good attitude and transparent. They will not enter into the mostly fights. They will try to help it out, but other people will try to make them down, or give trouble in their jobs or business or something like that, or their own family, brothers or sisters can give them trouble. But Ketu in the 10th house, people will always forgive their brother and sisters, and they do good for them, for their benefit. So this is also a plus point. Even if it's a malefic planet, the Ketu will not harm brothers or sisters in their aspect ratios. Many astrologers also believe that Ketu in the 10th house can get the native wealth, power, status, opportunities, good life, success, total success in their career. The Ketu in the 10th house, they will have lot of craftsmanship. They have lot of knowledge in the various subjects, which is acquired by their own hard work and efforts and experiences and thoughts and everything. So Ketu in the 10th house is very good. They earn lot of fame throughout their lifetime, and they have the strong influence of others also, and even their enemies will be praising a lot of times for their efforts and for the success in their careers. So this is also seen in the Ketu in the 10th house in that D10 chart, or in the D1 chart also for the career house. So mostly I have spoken about the positive side of the Ketu in the 10th house, but negative side, if it is badly affected, or if it is very in a negative dignity, then it can make a person headless or a foolish in their work. If it is not at all a good aspects, only the worst aspects are there, or it is in a bad degrees, then this kind of a person can waste their time on unnecessary work, and they may not get any benefit or fruit for their efforts or results. So this can be confirmed only after analyzing a person's horoscope, which any astrologist can do it. When an experienced astrologer can look at your horoscope and tell you if it is very negatively placed, then only some of the negative results will be seen in the Ketu in the 10th house. Nevertheless, these people like Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces will all be beneficial in this type of a placement in the 10th house. So these five, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, will not have any much problem, unless and until maybe they have to change the job frequently or something. But otherwise they will be having opportunity arising now and then every time, and especially if there are beneficial planets, of course they will rise in their life and get what they want. They fulfill their life here. And Ketu in the 10th house, if supposing anyone want to become a driver or something, and if it is badly affected or in a very negative dignity, then better they should not go for the driving job, because they are prone to highly to accidents and things like that. So Ketu in the 10th house should take care that they didn't, not that normal going to the office and coming job type of job. Jobs like particularly 24/7, like a truck driver or a bus driver, long bus drivers, where the earnings are coming from only from the driving. So they should avoid. If it is very malefic planet, they should not go into the transportation business also, because they may utterly fail in the transportation business if it is very badly placed or negatively placed, or there is no good benefic planets aspecting this 10th house. They should better avoid this transportation business or driver type of a job, or something like this. So these are my studies in the astrology for the Ketu in the 10th house. We'll come up with more videos and very exciting videos. Positively, I will try to get the good and the best of the content to you. Meantime, I will give you some remedies which will be helpful for you if it is very badly affecting you if the Ketu is in the 10th house. Some of the remedies are like this. One can keep a black dog in his house, especially if he is after 40. Definitely he will have good experience of life, so you can keep a dog if it is possible in the house. This will ward off some negative energy of the Ketu. You can buy some bowl pot like silver, something like this, and you should keep bowl full with the honey, bee honey. So this can also be very good to ward off the negative energy. This will help you a lot, and you can use that also, but keep it always mostly full with the silver bowl with the honey. The native with this placement can donate this 2-colored or a colorful blanket to some poor or some Rishumunis or saints, especially in the temples or the poor people, like this. This will ward off some of the energies, negative energies of the Ketus. Visiting Kala Bhairava temple every now and then, or at least weekly once, at least monthly once, will again help you out, especially if you are facing bad effects of the Ketu in the 10th house. Then you can go to the Shani temple and give some mustard oil, donate some mustard oil for lighting the diya. So this will ward off lighting the lamp. This will ward off lot of negative energy of the Ketu, and it will help the ascendant or the native to come out successfully in his life without any problems. So Vedic astrology has got lot of problems, lot of solutions also. You can take this advices and you can see if it will help. Even if you can feed black crows or the birds on the Saturdays with some grains or something, this also will ward off lot of negative energy. Even otherwise, any people can do it. It will give a good results in your lifetime, and doing good is always welcome. And plus, Ketu in the 10th house, people are always generous. They are true to their work, they are true to their experiences, they are true to their mind. Even if it is a malefic planet, they will show you. That's why the opposite people in the government or anything, they are having lot of enemies, not because they are doing bad or something, because the other people are not accepting their goodness. So this is what is happening in the model world. Please take care all. Ketu in the 10th house. It's my analysis. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Watch for our musical videos also. I'm going to teach music also. Thank you very much. Good day.